What's better than accumulating earnings month after month? One might argue that the answer lies in having a guaranteed income, a steady stream of revenue that you can count on. That's exactly what a membership system offers to you. With a membership structure, you can ensure that you have a consistent income source regardless of the external economic conditions. It's a business model that provides you with a predictable and reliable cash flow. The beauty of a membership is its versatility. You can practically utilize a membership model for any product or service you can conceive. It could be tangible or intangible products, services that cater to a myriad of customer needs, priceless advice that could change lives, or even videos that provide entertainment or knowledge. The options are endless and only limited by your imagination. Perhaps you've noticed that little blue join button that is often seen next to the subscribe button on various YouTube channels. Have you ever wondered what that means? That, my friend, is a membership button. It's not just a mere button, but a potent tool that enables you to leverage the massive audience base you might already have on your YouTube channel. Think about the possibilities. You could use this tool to sell a variety of things. Maybe you're passionate about beauty and skincare, and you could sell beauty products, supplements, or cosmetics. Or perhaps you possess knowledge that you can share with the world in the form of tutorials. You might even offer consultations in your area of expertise. The sky truly is the this. You set a membership fee at a reasonable price of $4.99 per month, a fee that most people wouldn't think twice about. It's the cost of a cup of coffee, something many spend without a second thought. Now, imagine if you were able to attract 2,000 members to your platform. You'd have a monthly income of approximately $10,000. Doesn't sound impossible, does it? Indeed, it's an achievable goal, one that could transform your status and grant you the security of a guaranteed income. Doesn't sound impossible, does it? Do you have an email account? In the digital age, an email account has become just as common as a smartphone. Almost everyone has one, but have you ever thought of the potential it possesses? It's much more than a tool for communication. It can be a profitable asset. See, the concept is simple, yet the potential is some enterprising individuals have unlocked the power of their email accounts and have utilized it to create wealth. They've done this by building an email list and providing products or services to their audience. This isn't just a handful of people. Quite a few have amassed fortunes simply by tapping into the power of email marketing. Now, you might be wondering, doesn't that require a lot of effort or expertise? It's surprisingly straightforward and doesn't demand a vast amount of work. The competition in this space isn't as fierce as you might think, compared to other endeavors such as creating and maintaining a successful YouTube channel. For instance, hoping for a video to go viral. This approach is decidedly less daunting. So why not leverage your email account to create a profitable venture? The process is straightforward and it's proven to work. A prime example is Anik Singhal, the founder of Learn. He has harnessed the power of email marketing to create millions in revenue. His journey serves as an excellent example of just how lucrative this venture can be. Guess what? You might learn something incredibly valuable from him. Anik Singhal of Learn has made millions this way, and you can learn a lot from him. Have you seen those hoodies with phrases written on them? Those are print on demand, or POD products. This is a term you might not be familiar with, but it's a concept that has been gaining popularity in the recent years. It's an innovative approach that is transforming how businesses operate in the online retail world. Let's start by understanding what print on really means. The term print on demand signifies that products are created as per the orders received. Unlike traditional retail that requires you to manufacture a large number of products in advance, this strategy completely eliminates the need that. Instead, you only create a product when someone places an order for it. This not only reduces wastage, but also helps you cater to the unique preferences of each customer. You've probably seen products like this under some YouTube videos or on Instagram and wondered about their origin. They're predominantly sold on social media platforms where influencers and creators collaborate with these businesses to promote their products. These products are essentially merchandise or accessories that are with unique and catchy designs or messages. Now, you might wonder why POD products are touted as being very profitable. The answer to that lies in the way they operate. Since you don't need to manufacture and stock a certain number of products beforehand, you save on storage costs. Additionally, you don't have to worry about unsold inventory or overproduction. This considerably reduces the overhead costs, making pod products a profitable venture. The process of creating these products is surprisingly simple. You just need a design that you can upload to platforms like Teespring, Printful, or even Merch by Amazon. These platforms take care of everything, from manufacturing and shipping to managing the inventory. This means you don't have to worry about the logistics of your business. All you need is a good design, a strategy to attract customers to your online store, and the patience to wait for your monthly checks. If you think about it, it's a hassle-free way to run an online business. It's creatively fulfilling, economically sound, and suitable for people looking for flexible work options. So, have you ever considered venturing into this business? All you need is a good design, drive customers to the store, and receive the checks they send you every month. As you can see, you don't need vast wealth to generate more. In fact, the key to generating income is not embedded in money, rather it lies in your creativity. Harness the power of your innovative mind, the strength of your determined spirit, and the vast resources available via a simple internet connection. The internet is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting for you to tap into. It's your gateway to earning passive income, setting you free from traditional income boundaries. This is how you start living the life you've dreamed of. The possibility of living life on your terms, it's not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality within your grasp. Don't let this opportunity slip away. The chance to live life on your own terms is within your reach. Don't waste it. Exercise. Make a list of 10 business ideas that could create passive income sources for you. This simple act of brainstorming could unlock a world of potential and possibilities. You may be amazed at how this simple exercise could stimulate your creative juices, bringing forth ideas you never thought were possible. You could stumble upon a concept that seems unconventional, but upon closer look you realize it has strong potential to be successful. This could also be your stepping stone towards financial independence and stability. Who knows, you might come up with a great idea that completely changes your life, just like it has for thousands of others. The only limit is your imagination. To recap, we've looked at how memberships, email marketing, and dropshipping period can be powerful tools for generating income. Memberships, as we discussed, are an innovative way to utilize your existing audience base. They offer you the opportunity to provide these loyal customers with exclusive products or services. This not only helps in your audience feel valued, but it also serves as a constant income stream that can be quite substantial if managed well. Shifting our focus to email marketing, it's a method that allows you to unlock the potential of your email list. In a world where competition is fierce, having a dedicated list of people interested in your products or services can give you an edge. With the correct strategy, you can use email marketing to cultivate relationships with your audience, keep them engaged, and convert them into paying customers, all in a relatively competition-free environment. Finally, there's Dropshipping Pod, a method that's gaining traction in the online business world. It allows you to sell your creative designs with ease, removing the need to worry about manufacturing or inventory management. This method empowers you to focus on what you do best, creating eye-catching designs, while the production and shipping are handled by others. All these methods, despite requiring creativity, hard work, and a stable internet connection, have the potential to turn into significant passive income streams. Each can contribute to creating a financially stable life, a life where you have the freedom to pursue your dreams, the life of your dreams.